nothing like a nice milkshake in the morning. Woke up early today, 12 p.m. Usually I wake up at 2 p.m. Okay, let's log on. Okay, first question. 2 plus 2. That's 4. That's easy. First day of school.
8 squared, 79 times 3 divided by, wait, what is that? Wait, they didn't say anything about calculators.
Oh no. And done. Long day, 20 minutes. Usually takes around 5. Time to get some Fortnite on. And done. Full 8 hours. We have to come back tomorrow.
Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you liked it, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below, #ViewSquad for a chance to win a shout out in my next video.
And my channel, Print 3D, will be right there.
It's right there.
Right there, link in the description.
And if you do have the coronavirus, please get better soon.
God
And-
bless.
Yes, but also if you haven't gotten the coronavirus, please stay healthy. Bye.
I don't have school tomorrow.
I have school tomorrow.